Hi, welcome to Spring Story Time. I don't know about you, but I am loving the sunshine, the birds singing, and the flowers starting to bloom. So let's get right into it with a couple of books about spring. The first one is called I See Spring by Charles Ginga. All those pretty flowers blooming. I see raindrops falling down. I see raincoats, blue and brown. I see dark clouds way up high. What does that mean? Rain. I see a rainbow in the sky. If you're lucky, you can see a rainbow after a rainstorm. I see puddles in the street. I see rain boots on my feet. I see sunshine on the trees. I see bluebirds ride the breeze. Have you seen any bluebirds? I see robins build a nest. I see bunnies take a rest. I see ladybugs and snails. I see puppies chase their tails. I see yellow daffodils. I see bluebells on the hills. I see squirrels scamper on the ground. I see pinwheels go round and round. I see kites up in the sky. I see clothes hanging up to dry. I see butterflies and flowers. I see signs of more spring showers. There's a lot to see in the spring, isn't there? All right, let's do a little song together about some things we see in spring related to the weather. The first is the sun, right? It's so nice to see the sun out. So let's make a little sun. And it goes, the sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. Oh, how I love the warmth. The sun is shining bright. What else happens in the spring? Rain. But we need rain for things to grow, right? So rain can be good. Let's do rain. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. Oh, how I love the sound. The rain is falling down. And what starts to grow in the spring? Flowers. So let's make our flowers bloom. Ready? The flowers start to bloom. The flowers start to bloom. Oh, how I love the sight. The flowers start to bloom. Great job. You can sing that with your parents or grandma or siblings or your friends, whoever you want. That's a fun song to sing. The next book is called Weather in Spring, and this is a non-fiction book. That means we're going to learn some facts. So we're going to learn about things that are true. And this just tells us about the different weather in spring. In spring, the sun comes out. The snow melts. Oh, our snow melted, didn't it? Goodbye, winter. Spring is here. Spring is a time of change. It's a time of growth. The sun warms the soil, and plants poke through the dirt. Have you seen these poking up? I've seen these around town. These are going to be some flowers. Maybe some daffodils or crocuses. Birds return from the south. Animals come out of their burrow. You know what animal that is? That's a badger. People come outside too. Ben rides his bike. He does not need a coat. That's another nice thing about spring. We don't need our heavy winter coats anymore, do we? Spring also means rain. Rain makes the plants grow. Look at that pretty tulip that's going to bloom. Leah plays in the rain. She stomps in the puddles. You like to stomp in puddles? I know I do. My little boy does too. Spring can be windy. Kelly flies a kite. Whee! Have you ever flown a kite? The air gets even warmer. Baby animals are born. What babies were born here? That's right, lambs, baby sheep. Flowers bloom. There's our pretty daffodils. Soon it will be summer. Summer's a whole lot of fun too. What's your favorite season? Do you like spring or summer? Maybe you like fall or winter? Maybe all of them. There's something fun about each season. We're going to do one more song called Mr. Sun. We're going to make a big sun with our arms like this. And it goes, oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Very good. All right, our last book we're going to read is called When Spring Comes by Henkes. Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky. See the cardinal sitting in there? All winter long, our trees have looked kind of bare, haven't they? But if you wait, spring will bring leaves and blossoms. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And there's some bunnies. If you wait, spring will make the leftover mounds of snow smaller, smaller, and smaller until suddenly they're gone. That snowman melted away, didn't he? Before spring comes, the grass is brown. But if you wait, spring will turn it green and add little flowers. If you wait, an egg will become a bird, and a seed will start growing. Spring comes with sun, and it comes with rain, and more rain, and more rain. Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? I hope you like umbrellas. There can be some rainy days. Before spring comes, the garden is just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. And spring will call out the pussy willows and the new kittens too. Spring can come quickly or slowly. It changes its mind a lot. Sometimes after we think spring is here, we get more snow. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. There will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. There will be worms and wings and wind and wheels. You will feel it. You will smell it. You will hear it. When spring is finally here to stay, you might think you are done waiting, but you are not. Now you have to wait for summer. And see on that page, you see some summery things like popsicles and beach balls, fireworks, a sailboat. So there's always something to look forward to. All right, so that's it for our story time. I'm going to show you our craft next. All right, we are ready for our craft. So if you picked up one of our craft kits, you will have gotten a folded card, some paper flowers, and some stickers. And we're going to put together a little pop-up card. So it's pretty simple. You'll want to take your flowers and fold them in half. So if you find 2 petals, just line them up with the opposite 2 petals and fold them in half as best as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. So that it looks like this. And you do that with each of these until they are all folded in half. Then you can put them in any order you like. It doesn't matter, whatever colors you like. We're going to take our glue stick or Elmer's glue, or even if your tape would work, whatever you have around the house, and you're going to pick your first color and put glue on one side of it, one half that you folded. So, this is the inner part. We put glue on the outside half of one. And you're going to match it up with the outside half of another and just stick them together like so. Give a little squeeze. See? Now we have that. And we have one more step to do. Your last petal, same thing. Apply some glue to the outside folded half, and you're going to stick it to the other side of your middle petal or your middle flower. like this. And just give a little pinch. There. Now we have a flower that looks like this. And if you turn it around, it should be kind of flat on the back. And what we're going to do is that's the part we're going to stick in the card, like this. So you'll want to take your glue or your tape or whatever you have and put glue on the back side of the flower, this, and then we're going to stick it right in the card, right in the crease there. Line it up as best as you can. Give it a little rub so that glue sticks, and then close your card and kind of squeeze it. Then when you open it, you'll see that the flower will kind of pop up. Now, you can decorate it however you like. So I took a green marker. You can use any color, crayons, pens, pencils, whatever you want. And I just drew a stem and a couple leaves like this. And then you could write on the front, you could write, Happy Spring. Or you could write whatever message you want. You could say, I love you, or whatever message you want to write to the person that you love that you're going to give this to. And then you can use your stickers to decorate. So I think I'll put a flower sticker on the front, give it a nice spring feel. And I like this sticker with the googly eyes. He's kind of fun. This one's a butterfly. So I'm going to put it right over here like my butterfly is landing on the flower, like that. And then these little stickers are kind of fun. So look, we have a rainbow. That's always cheerful. So maybe I'll stick a rainbow there. And let's see. How about another flower down here? And one more. How about an umbrella? See, this sticker pad has some rain and some boots and all sorts of different spring decorations. So you can decorate your card however you like. Add more stickers, add more coloring, colored pencils, whatever you have around the house, and just make it nice and cheerful. And then you can give this card to someone that you care about and say, Happy Spring. So I hope that you liked making that card and that you enjoyed our story time. Thank you so much for joining me today.